War is here right now. What kind of asset should we focus on, and what kind of asset we need to be more careful? Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So everyone know it's like quite a logic concept. Say, oh, we buy gold, oh, we buy oil when the war is on. But something maybe we're missing, and I want to give you a bit more alert about stock, crypto, gold, and oil. The first thing we look at is gold. This is weekly chart. Basically, gold, we have an up signal here back to 2022 September. Okay, so basically around the price is 1,600. If you use this chart, even you buy when they go above the purple or when they go above the blue, you still look like a superhero. And you can see the market trend, we are still going upward. But lately we go under the red and the yellow disappeared. So something you need to be careful is, hey, gold maybe have some cool down. Why? Because when the war is on, gold and oil go up, right? People try to be more safe about their asset, try to avoid the dollar. What happened is when gold go up, when oil go up, what happened is the inflation. Inflation will be on. So now we look at oil. And what happened to the inflation? Is to the business. So we will have some impact for the business or transportation. So everything will go up the price. So something is very bad when the business is bad. What is bad? Stock market will be bad. Okay. So this is weekly chart for oil, and you can see the purple and the blue here, they going upward. Okay, so basically from here, from this day when the oil is still cheap, around $70, they are still cheap and they start to go up. And now we are still in the upward trend. Okay, we are still in the upward trend, and you see one big candle up by 62%. Before I told you, when the oil go too much, US market won't like it. Trump won't like it. Why? Because the inflation go too high and you will slow down the business. So this is not really ideal for the US government. So they will try to do something for the oil price. To be honest, the oil, the resource for the US, for the USA, for oil is they still have a lot of oil. So for them it's fine. But what kind of country have bigger impact, which is like Asia or Japan or Korea? That's why they have a big drop for the even for the index ETF. Okay, so this is oil. This we're still going up. Now we look at daily chart. You can see what happened here. We are starting to have a pullback here, but the market is still going uptrend. Okay, so this gap would be like a support. Another thing I would look at. So since now gold is going like pulling back, oil is pulling back. The money going to which asset? Do you think they go to stock or do you think they go to crypto? Since the war is on, the answer is crypto. So since the war is on, basically crypto has been up. So I want to show you something here. So now I look at weekly chart first for you to have a bigger picture. So see, although the market is still going downward, the market cycle is not yet confirmed. This is done. We don't have an up signal yet, but if you, okay, first thing, last time I told you, if we draw this green line, we can sell high and buy low, sell high, buy low, and sell high later. And one thing, we have YM chip entry happening here, and we have purple candle here already. Purple candle does not appear very often for weekly chart or monthly chart. So you can see purple candle disappear, and we go above. And I did mention in my one of my crypto the Bitcoin video say this could be one of our buy point. Not yet confirmed is going upward, not yet, okay? But something we can pay more attention is the Bitcoin related stock. Okay. I'm not saying we have to buy, it's nothing you have to do. Okay. So but I would put more focus on the crypto related stock. So the first thing you look at is you can see here there is an ABC channel here. So I want to show you So one is this. Uh, wait. So, eh? So, eh? How come I cannot draw? Wait. Moment. So A, B, C. So if you do this, basically you will find A and C, the ratio is very close. Basically, they both down almost the same percentage. So if you measure it, here is around 36%, they go down. And another one, this one, they drop down by 38.8%. So it's very close. Okay. So is it possible we stop here? It is very possible. Okay. But not necessary. If they drop more, if they go down more, they can go down to 160%. Okay. Which is the C equal the A 160%. So would be longer. But so far we are supporting here. Okay. Remember, right now we are still in the rebounds. We not yet confirm this is the bottom. We don't have enough signal to tell us, hey, this is the bottom. Not yet. So we are still reversing the trend. So if you look at the daily chart, the daily chart can see clearly the blue is going upward and we have an up signal here and the purple is trying to turn upward. So this is a very good news if you are holding Bitcoin or if you want to buy more Bitcoin. Okay. So this is the thing. Another thing, but again, you trade with daily chart first because weekly chart, we are still in the downward trend. So we trade with daily chart first, okay? So don't buy for long hold this moment. No one tell you to buy with long hold. So I want to show you what kind of stock we can focus on for crypto. So many stock. This is Coinbase, okay? Coinbase, and we have a bunch of green, and here go up. But Coinbase is not the faster move one. Let me show you the weekly chart as well. The weekly chart, you can see the red is going upward. The red is going upward. So the first resistance would be around the blue line. Okay, so we still have quite a good profit here. But Coinbase is not something I'm looking at. What is moving really, really fast? What you do your own research, okay? Is cycle, a circle. Circle this company. CLCL. So basically this one, if you look at weekly chart, you can see, you can draw a trend line yourself here. And okay, so basically on this day on about 63, they go above this trend line. If you don't have the trend line, if you have my indicator, you can use this red for the reference, okay? And when we look at YM Big Buy, it's basically, you see, it's very clearly, even one candle before, they tell you they go above zero. And okay, so this is how powerful. What is YM Big Buy? Is big volume buying. And you can see this price going down, but buying is more. Okay, green is buy, above zero is strong. So it's divergence basically. Okay, money going inside this stock, CRCL. And how about right now? Can we buy this right now? If you look at this, can we buy this right now? We don't have any buy point yet. The best buy point is around this area. Okay, right now it's 130. So we can, first thing we confirm, this is an upward trend. Yes. Second, once they pull back, once they pull back, will they pull back? Yes, they will pull back. The big volume trade they're reducing now. So we are waiting for one pullback. When they get close to this blue and flash a green candle, this is the buy signal. Now, no, you can see institution holding is increasing and just big volume trader, they are selling. What does it mean? It means they're reducing their cash out the profit. Okay, so this is a very strong signal, and this is something we can look at in a couple of months, within this couple of months. So I will target this stock. So I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. By the way, when the oil go up, the tech company or in general speaking, the business will go down. Okay, so meaning the stock market will go down. So it's something you need to be careful about what kind of tech company are you holding? Are they safe asset? Are they giving positive cash flow? Or can you cash out your profit already or cash out your cost already? Okay, so see you next video. Bye. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Bye.